Ever pondered about making a living out of your hobby? Imagine turning your passion for laser engraving into a profitable venture. Today's focus is on how to leverage the power of Lightburn software to transform your hobby into a thriving business. Firstly, a quick introduction to Lightburn software, the star of this show. The beauty of Lightburn lies in its simplicity, a user-friendly interface that's easy to navigate even for beginners. Its compatibility with most hobby laser engravers makes it an ideal choice for all. The process begins with setting up Lightburn. Visit Lightburn Software's YouTube channel for a comprehensive guide on installing and configuring the software. It's straightforward, ensuring a smooth start to your laser engraving journey. Once set up, the next step involves designing with Lightburn. The software comes with intuitive design capabilities, allowing you to create or import designs effortlessly. For in-depth tutorials and design inspiration, the Louisiana Hobby Guy's YouTube channel, with over 200 tutorial videos, is a goldmine of knowledge. The process of laser engraving is simplified with Lightburn. Regardless of the material you're working on, be it wood, acrylic, or leather, Lightburn's user-friendly nature guarantees professional results every time. But remember, safety should always be a priority. Follow safety guidelines meticulously when using your laser engraver. Again, the Louisiana Hobby Guy's YouTube channel offers valuable insights on safety protocols. Now to the exciting part, turning your passion into a business. With Lightburn's efficiency on your side, you can manage custom orders with ease. And with tips from the Louisiana Hobby Guy, you'll master the tricks of the trade in no time. Building a brand is critical in this journey. Lightburn ensures your products stand out, making your brand memorable. For tips on marketing and promoting your business, look no further than lahobbyguy.com. In conclusion, starting a business with a hobby laser engraver is not just a dream, it's a reality. Lightburn software, with its user-friendly interface, makes the journey seamless. For more resources and tutorials, visit lahobbyguy.com. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY and business tips. Until next time, keep engraving, keep creating, and keep hustling. Thank you for watching.